don't spend all this time trying to figure out how can I win this argument.
Right.
And start thinking about how can I help this person make a decision.
That's exactly
And sometimes they just need a nudge to decide for themselves.
Hey, we've had you in here a number of times, and we love when you come in. We get such great responses from the people that tune into our different networks and such. Talk to us a little bit about Easton University. What are people going to find when they go there, and what kind of training do you offer?
Yeah, so there's basically 3 flavors. There's an online portal where they'll have access to literally me, my ugly mug, right there on their phone, their tablet, their computer, working with them in little courses, helping them with things just like this. And then every week I do live sessions for all of our students. I'm on a live platform where they can see me, they can be on video, audio, they can ask me questions. And then the third flavor is really customizable. I can work with large groups, large organizations, both virtually and in person. So whatever somebody needs, whether it's a certification for themselves, training for themselves, online certification for their team, or to literally have me come out and get everybody fired up, I've got a way I can.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And that's why you're here, because I know that you do a great job at that.
Thank you so much.
You know, for people that are out there, especially in the area of sales, this might be a great opportunity for you to actually invest in your own career, in your own professional, in your own bank account. And if you know, the more training that you can get in sales, many times what we see is that companies are not providing this to their salespeople. You might have gone to 1 week of training. They say, okay, go out there and be successful. We all know 1 week doesn't cut it. And so, you know, the reason that Matt is here is we have seen him not just on social media, and I know that you guys have too, but also have spoken to a number of the companies that he's done business with, and Easton University is one of the best out there. But do something. You know, if it's not Easton University and working with Matt, invest in yourself. This is up to you. Your career and your livelihood and your financial future isn't up to anybody else but you. So don't blame it on the company that you work for to say, they don't provide training to me. They don't provide sales training for me to close more deals, okay? I'm gonna go try to find a company that does. They don't exist, okay? I've been doing this for a very long period of time, and I too made that mistake of hopping around, trying to look for the right company that provides me and supports me with the right training. They don't exist. The biggest and best companies in the world will also admit to that. So yeah, we give some training along the way, but if somebody really wants to take sales as a profession and make a ton of money doing it, they need to have ongoing training that they invest in themselves and make that happen every day, every week. We all know what NFL players are doing from Monday to Saturday before that game. They're training. That's what they're doing. And they make it look real easy on Sunday because the training that went from Monday to Saturday, right?
Yeah.
And in sales, we don't do that enough. The top salespeople do, and we know who they are in our organizations, but everybody else kind of walks around and says, well, if I'm supposed to be trained, wouldn't the company that I'm doing business with and that I work for train me? The answer is no. That is up to you. So, Matt, thank you so much for joining us on the show. Really appreciate it.
Well said, Jim, and thank you for having me.